look at the gauges.
Oh yeah, I didn't say that.
You can say that, yeah.
Try to find an appearance.
Yeah, try, that's what I was going to say. Try to find a pair.
Follow.
Emma, you see anything you like?
I want one of those.
I got one.
Oh no, it was on the ground. I can say I raised it 4 inches.
After waiting 36 hours.
You go find him. You can find him, you're doing good. Oh yeah, yeah.
Is that what it was? 5 years?
You know I miss him.